Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're okay. Today we will study about crawler tractor. I am sure you know some information about this kind of tractor. And in this lesson, you increase your knowledge about these tractors. At first, let me introduce you the aims of our lesson. At first, introduction of new lexical material on the topic, development speaking skills using new vocabulary, and raise your interest in learning different language. According to these aims, you have the plan of our lesson. At first, we will do some exercise using new vocabulary, read and translate text about crawler tractors, watch interesting and useful videos about these tractors, and at the last, you can share your opinions sent to my email. Now we will study new words. Please write these words, learn, and try to repeat after me. Now let's start. Crawler трактор, гусеничный трактор. Traverse, проходить, проезжать. Rich soil, плодородная почва. Continuous track, замкнутая сплошная лента. Compact, уплотнять. Modular chain link, звенья блочно-модульной цепи. Magnesium alloy steel, марганцевый сплав. Durability, износоустойчивость. Track roller, опорный каток гусеницы. Set to, прижимать. Cushion, смягчать. To the drive wheel, зубчатое ведущее колесо. Drive sprocket, ведущая звездочка. Non-powered wheel, не ведущее колесо. Steering, управление направлением движения. Planetary differential, планетарный дифференциал. Transmission pinion, шестерня трансмиссии. Bevel gear, коническая зубчатая передача. Dual differential, двойной дифференциал. Final drive, конечная передача. Outboard, внешний. Inboard, внутренний. Toothed ripper, зубчатый рыхлитель. Claw type, в виде когтя. Single shank ripper, однозубый рыхлитель. Multi-shank ripper, многозубый рыхлитель. Dozer blades, отвал бульдозера. Crawler loader, гусеничный погрузчик. I hope these new words help you to work with these texts, which called crawler tractor, and do following exercise. If you read attentively these texts, you do perfectly following exercise. First exercise. Find the Russian equivalents for the following English words and word combinations. On the left, you can see 10 English words, and on the left you can see English words, 10 English words, and on the right you can see Russian equivalents. You should find and match them. The second exercise: put each word in the correct blank. There are 5 sentences. This sentence you can find in the text. The third exercise: match the beginning of each sentence with its end. There are also 9 sentences. You have beginning and you choose the end of this sentence. And now let's watch a video about the history of crawler tractors.
The idea for the crawler tractor had been around for a long time and was tried by different inventors during the 1800s. None of these worked very well until Alvin Lombard designed what became known as the Lombard log hauler in 1900. Looking very much like a steam locomotive perched on a treadmill, it had to be steered by a helmsman seated forward over a pair of movable sled runners. This steam tractor could haul up to 14 loaded sleds at once, but it could only be operated on snow or ice, had no brakes, and was not very maneuverable. 2 Californians, Benjamin Holt and Daniel Best, had been experimenting with gasoline power, and in 1906, Holt came out with the first gas crawler. Designed to operate on the spongy farmland of the California Delta, it soon proved its worth in the woods as well. In 1908, the 2 competitors merged, and the Caterpillar Tractor Company was formed. Films shot in the 1920s demonstrate the Caterpillar's invincibility in all types of terrain and weather conditions. With its greater bearing surface and firm traction, the Model 60, seen here, could operate on hills with as much as a 60% grade. The cleated tracks also gripped on slippery snow and ice, allowing the agile cat to operate the year round. It was obvious that the big wheels, which had been pulled by animals, were even more practical when hauled by tractor. Steel hubs were fitted to the 11-foot wheels, and its slip tongue was shortened. Once the logs were attached, the forward motion of the tongue activated the upright lever, lifting the load off the ground. At the landing, the process was reversed and the logs were dropped.
Performance, versatility, and productivity is what you're looking for. Look no further than New Holland's T9 Series SmartTrax 2 solution. Hi, I'm Hinda with New Holland Agriculture. I'll tell you about the T9.600, T9.645, and T9.700 SmartTrax 2 models. We're going to look at what's new for model year 17 with the features and benefits you have come to expect from New Holland. For model year 17, we're again offering the popular standard track module in addition to the premium high idler module. With the standard track module, you get the same benefits New Holland Track's high idler modules have become known for, while increasing New Holland's competitiveness in the marketplace. Also new for model year 17 are changes to the front idler. The diameter has decreased in size and width. The new idler shape also has a 2-degree taper on the outside. Product testing shows these design changes will greatly influence how traction lugs engage the ground, increasing track life expectancy by 40% compared to previous designs. Customers will also have the opportunity to order SmartTrax modules with either the 2-inch agricultural lug or the new 2.6-inch deep lug tread for added traction. SmartTrax modules in either standard or high idler variations will continue to have increased traction with 2 times the contact area of tires, reducing slippage for optimum pulling. Increased flotation reducing field compaction with 50% less pounds per square inch. Remember, both increased traction and flotation result in lower surface damage to your fields. You also get increased drive efficiency with New Holland's positive drive system, eliminating drive wheel slippage. Drive lug loads are decreased with the larger diameter drive wheel, engaging 7 to 8 lugs at all times on a high idler and up to 11 lugs on the standard module, increasing belt life. Turning efforts are minimized, and field berming is never an issue with Smart Tracks, offering a wider, shorter footprint, no scuffing, no sliding, and no power loss. T9 series tractors with Smart Tracks provide a comfortable smooth ride in the field. You will see that modules are designed to place mid-rollers on either side of the module pivot point, reducing over-center shock impacts. The self-contained Smart Tracks modules automatically tension the belt with a tensioning cylinder for efficient day in and day out operation. Having tracks always properly tensioned increases both productivity and extends the life of the track. The T9 series tractor stability when outfitted with Smart Tracks modules cannot be overlooked. The track modules provide the tractor with a low center of gravity, improving your stability. Additionally, the added weight of the track modules, right where it's needed, helps provide outstanding tractive force. Smart Tracks maintenance is minimized with bearings sealed and lubricated, requiring only annual inspection. A heavy-duty steel scraper keeps the debris from building up. Correct track tension is observed in a simple sight gauge. Because of the rigid undercarriage and precision borings, track alignment is not an issue. You asked for better steering performance. New Holland Smart Tracks equipped with standard track modules delivers. The articulation angle of the new standard track is 38 degrees, matching that of our T9 wheeled units, making them class-leading for turning radius. As you can see, New Holland constantly strives to offer products our customers demand. T9 series Smart Tracks tractors are no exception.
My dear students, I hope this lesson was very useful for you. And now the lesson is over. Goodbye.